Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing on some hair that I purchased with my own money. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased and getting a little update on what's going on with that queen-like hair. Y'all remember that hair? Yeah, I got a little update on that hair. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stay tuned. So I purchased some hair from Asteria Hair. I've gotten hair from them in the past, and I really don't remember how the hair did. It couldn't have been all that bad because I usually remember the companies that have like the really bad hair. But I have heard some positive things about this hair, so I went ahead and ordered the hair. By the way, yes, I'm in my car. I should have started off with that. I am doing some changes with my my whole setup. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I really haven't been posting like I usually post, and that's because my whole situation has changed. Many things have changed in the past month or so. So that's why I'm in my car. You know what I'm saying? You know, things don't stop, you know, just because your life situation changed. At least for me, this is important to me, and I have people that actually watch my videos and like them. So I ain't going nowhere. I didn't stop. I didn't give up. I'm still here. Anyway, getting back to the hair. So I purchased the hair on a Thursday, and I received it on a late Thursday night, like about 11 p.m. midnight. And I got the hair on a Monday evening. So that was like 3 working days. Not bad at all. So here is the hair. Here's the hair. It came in your standard UPS packaging. It's loose in the bag. You can see that. It's just loose in the bag. So they sent me a little gift, a little necklace. I appreciate it, but I'll be giving it away to one of my nieces or something. They'll watch my video, so I'm sure I'll be getting a phone call or a text saying that they want it. So call me, y'all. Okay, I purchased 3 bundles of 16-inch hair and a 14-inch frontal. I'm trying to get my frontal game on, y'all. So I got to practice. You know, we're practicing, we mess up and we learn from our mistakes. And this is an expensive way to practice, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it together, y'all. I'm gonna get it together. This is their Brazilian deep wave hair. I wanted something kind of curly and cute and funky for the summer, you know. I got a lot of straight hair. Well, I got a lot of curly hair too, but not necessarily with the frontal. So I wanted to do that first. So taking out the first bundle, it's just loose in the packaging. It has no type of hairnet over it or anything like that. I'm not mad at that. The hair feels very soft. I'm just running my fingers through it. It has that natural color, almost like a 1B2. Like when you look at it, it's dark, but when it gets in the light, it's like that brown color. The wefting looks good. That is just some lint or something, but the wefting looks good. The bearding looks awesome. That's the first track of 16 inches. The ends look really good, and they're like nice and moisturized. They're nice and moisturized, not like dry or brittle. I did get, can you see? Well, I got a couple of strands that came out, which is common. Now that's common with curlier hair, for you to have a couple of strands that come out. So that's that bundle. Here's the next bundle. It smells nice, very soft. Very, very soft. The wefting looks good, and so does the bearding. Feels good. Same natural hair. The ends look very nice. Here's the last bundle. Same color, same feel to the hair. This is gonna be cute, y'all. When I put this in the unit, the ends look good. Smells okay. Bearding looks good. Wefting looks good. So this is nice. They have a no reason return policy, which is cool. I mean, if you don't like the hair, you could just return it. Actually got this off of AsteriaHair.com. I think I'm saying that right. If it's not right, I'll put the name up there. But I got it from their website. But I believe they're also on AliExpress. But I ordered directly from their website. You could do it either way. It's a lot of companies like that. They have their own website, and then they also are affiliated with AliExpress. So, yeah. That's nice. For the piece de resistance, okay, my jacket is not doing right, but for the piece de resistance, here's the frontal. All right. Okay, this has a has netting on over it to protect it. And here is the hair. A little bit drier, but nothing a deep condition can't take care of. It is same color as the bundles. And same, just about the same pattern. Pattern's a little bit different. If you see, this is curled tighter than this, but that's fine. It's not totally off. Yeah, it's not totally off, so this will blend together very nicely. So now I am opening up the frontal. And here it is. This is pre-plucked, which I truly appreciate. I won't have to do that much plucking to the frontal to get it to look more natural. I will have to bleach the knots because you can definitely, let me see, you could definitely see the knotting. I know y'all, yeah, y'all see the knots. You could definitely see the knotting. So I'm going to bleach the knots. I just really appreciate that it's pre-plucked and it's natural. I can appreciate that. So, yeah, everything looks good to me as far as this hair. So I will be coming back to show you this hair. Now, as far as the queen-like hair is concerned, everything is going okay with that hair. Like I said, it was my first time doing a frontal, so I'm being very careful. I'm taking my time, and I know y'all like, it's been a whole month. How much? Yeah, I got a lot going on in my life between work and family, among other things, you know. So I'm trying. That's why I'm gonna do a. That's why I'm doing this update. So I'm trying to get that out to y'all as soon as I can, as far as a video for that hair. And when I say, okay, so when I started plucking this hair, I did not realize that the hair was so, y'all, this hair was so full and thick. I thought I was messing up because I kept plucking. I mean, I know what a natural hairline looks like. I was being very careful, like I said. Oh my God, y'all. And I'm still need to actually do some more plucking. It was so much hair. I got a big ball of hair and I saved it. So when I come back to y'all with this wig on, I'm going to show y'all how much hair I had to pull out, pluck out totally. I'm saving it in the bag. It's a lot of hair that I plucked out. And I'm like, I got to be doing something wrong. And I'm like telling myself, girl, you ain't doing nothing wrong. It's just this hair. That hair was thick and full. And it wasn't pre-plucked. And it was so thick. And I'm like, come on, man. For real? I mean, it was really, really thick. So I'm still working on it, y'all. It's still coming together. I had to really, really deep condition that hair to get it to act right because the hair was kind of dry. But sometimes it be like that. And then once you deep condition and get it together, it's like really, you know, like really good hair, like the best hair to curl with. Because when you have like I want to say this right, when the hair is real slick and smooth, sometimes it's harder to keep a curl in it. It'll curl, but the curl won't stay. But when you have more of a texture hair that's more texture, like a kinky curly hair or something like this type of hair, which I believe is a Brazilian straight hair, but it's kind of a little bit on the coarser side, it'll hold the curl better. So we're going to find all that out when it comes to this hair. So I'm still working with it. I'm still dealing with it. I didn't forget about it. So y'all just please stay tuned. So thank you for tuning in to this video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessings. Bye.